The world's most astonishing things that even leave scientists baffled. Number 7. You've likely seen massive chains on large ships with arrow-like metal parts at the ends. But have you ever wondered what they're for and why they're on the ship? These chains are called anchors, made of extremely strong, heavy-duty metal. Their main purpose is to keep a ship in one place. Without an anchor, a ship stopped in the middle of the sea would drift away with the wind and waves. Once the anchor is dropped to the seafloor, it lodges firmly there, preventing the ship from drifting. That's why an anchor is such a critical part of any vessel. Number 6. Next, let's talk about something in China that might sound a bit off. People there eat rotten eggs called century eggs, which are quite popular. These eggs are normal chicken or duck eggs that are first soaked in a lime-based solution, then wrapped in sawdust for several weeks. After that, they're eaten. They emit a very rotten smell and turn pitch black, but Chinese people love them, believing these eggs help cure various ailments. Number 5. This strange-looking substance might remind you of a Hollywood movie creature, but it's actually ferrofluid. If you want to create it at home, you'd need iron oxide, which can be gathered from rusted metal parts, and then mix it with engine oil. The result is an odd black liquid that looks like a living parasite. However, it merely moves in response to magnets, so it's not really alive, just magnetically reactive. Number 4. Now let's introduce you to an amazing technology in China that leaves everyone stunned. In Binzhou, Shandong Province, there's a 3D digital billboard installed at an intersection. It looks so real that people sometimes can't believe their eyes. Some even get frightened, thinking objects from the billboard might pop out and come toward them. But don't worry, it's just a cutting-edge technique that blurs the line between the real and the digital worlds. Number 3. Take a look at this swimming pool, which is actually the deepest pool in the world. Its depth is so extreme, it feels like there's an entire hidden world inside it. Measuring 60 meters, around 200 feet, deep, it's a huge jump from a typical pool's 6 to 9 feet. This remarkable pool is located in Dubai. Once you dive in, you feel as though you're in a museum rather than a regular swimming facility, providing a completely otherworldly experience. Number 2. Moving on, there's a place where no Indian could survive a night. It's called Alaska, one of the coldest regions on Earth. The temperature can drop to minus 30 degrees Celsius, which is especially harsh for the homeless who have to spend nights outside. Their hands and feet can freeze and may need to be amputated later. If someone from India, Pakistan, or Bhutan stays out in that extreme weather for even one night, it can be fatal. Number 1. Can you believe there's a place in India where you might feel like you're on the moon? About 120 kilometers from Leh, at an altitude of 3,510 meters, lies Lama Village, commonly referred to as Moonland, due to its unique terrain. There's hardly any vegetation here, and much like the moon, the atmospheric pressure is very low, making it difficult to breathe. Legend says that around 40,000 years ago, a massive lake existed here, and eventually drained into the ground, leaving behind a surface that resembles the moon. In fact, ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, used this moonland to prepare for its missions to Mars and the moon. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.